1 minute set ADM close using regression model to analyze there are scattered diagram lines combined nonlinear model curve linear model. 1 straight line analysis. The result is a slight upward trend. Blue is the closed value, red is estimated value, yellow is upper limit and lower limit of 95% predicted interval. Nonlinear line model analysis. The result is an upward trend, but the predicted interval on the right gradually expands, representing vibration. Curve linear model analysis. The result is the oscillating trend gradually converges, lines combined which last line is the upward situation. Line 26 is the last line. The coefficient of determination is 0.948304, which could be the predicted equation. Those predicted values could be referred in more reliability. Comparison table of predicted and actual values, October 24, 2022 to October 28, 2022. The relative errors are very small. This predicted method is to obtain efficient and accurate estimation equation and estimated values. Excel calculating the probability distribution simulated data is an explanation of the simulator and random variables transformation of probability distribution using the Excel VBA. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com. Demythologized Durbin-Watson test statistic transforms with real random variables, and obtains the sampling distribution of test statistic, and calculates the real critical value. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com.